Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you the Walgreens photo promo codes. So in order to do it, you first need to come to your web browser, and here in the search bar, you can search for Walgreens photo promo codes. Once done, you will be able to see a photo coupon codes, promos and discounts from photo.walgreens.com. So you just have to click on this link, and you can also open this link from coupons.com. So after doing so, it will show you all of the available coupon codes. So you just have to use any of the coupon codes that you are interested in. Like we have 40% off coupon code, 60% off, 70% off, etc. And as you can see that all of these coupons code are completely official. So let's say you are interested in this 70% coupon code. So it is showing you that it will expire on August 17. So if you want to avail this, you just have to simply click on it. After that, you just have to select the photographs and albums, upload it and add them in your cart. Once done, at the time of checkout, you just have to use the promo code that was given in the previous page. After that, you just have to make the payment, and this way you will be able to find the Walgreens photo promo codes. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.